This part of the analysis was all about what was the impact when they were trying to implement accounts payable automation in the supply chain, and you can see by the sphere on the left, 46% had extended projects, which is a lot. 62% said the technology didn't work as they expected it to, or in fact was never actually used. 38% restarted the projects with completely different technology and approach, and nearly a quarter threw the projects out and did nothing. So, and as you can see with the sphere on the right, some of these extensions were a long time. So some were more than a year, some were more than 7 to 12 months. So it's interesting how this impact can then dramatically influence the business and put the business in an awkward position. So what we're really saying at ABBYY is that in order to get the best out of accounts payable automation, or in fact any automation of any business process when you're transforming it, is you need to look at the content, and you need to look at how that content affects your business and your business operations. And so these are the 5 key elements as we see it. You need to be able to see the process, see what it's doing, and look at its bottlenecks, look at its efficiencies, and in an instant see what your risk is or what your payments are needed. Now, just being able to see a problem is no good. So, of course, you need to be able to control that process. You need to be able to see where things are going wrong and change and protect the business from fraud, for example, avoid duplicates because they're very time consuming to pull back. The third one is speed, making sure that you do things effectively and quickly. So if you get your data into your end system, your finance system quickly, you're going to see what your indebtedness is quickly, so you're not going to get yourself into difficulties. If there's opportunities to get discounts by paying early, the software can do that for you as well, so you can get financial benefits from doing things promptly and smart. Of course, there's always cash flow where there's money involved, and if you're going to spend money on this technology, you need to make sure that you're going to get it back and that you're going to get some rewards from the investment in both time and money. And then finally, you need to make sure that this is a nice, solid, secure solution that you're putting in place, and that it can basically provide a good governance and control system that avoids fraud and avoids fines for incorrect tax paid and that sort of thing.